So a lot of people have a lot of misunderstandings and miscommunication about what really is true love, and this video is about the same. So friends, my name is Gurpreet Singh. I'm a life coach. Let's start this video. So first, let's start with what true love is not. True love is not about finding yourself in the other person or finding or seeking validation from the other person or approval from the other person, or that person is your only source of happiness. It's not about controlling your partner. It is not about manipulating your partner or demanding or threatening your partner to get happiness from that person. It is not just about romantic relationships, destinations, and unlimited intimacy. And it is also not about creating the perfect person which you always wanted in your life and trying to achieve that by manipulating or changing your partner. So let's find out what true love actually is. True love is caring for your partner unconditionally. True love is fully accepting your partner with the flaws of the person. True love is being truthful to your partner, being honest to your partner, and discussing anything what you ever wanted to discuss without the fear of judgment or criticism. True love is where you never need to pretend in front of your partner. You can be yourself. In true love, there is mutual respect among the partners. In true love, there are individual life goals and values, and then there are combined life goals and values which you can achieve as a team. True love is when you feel happy by showering love and affection to your partner, but do not get disappointed when you don't get that in return. The basis of true love is friendship and a deep connection. And true love lasts longer. Whenever there are disagreements, there are hurdles, there are problems in your life, you always find a way to solve these problems and always find a reason to stay back in the relationship. But the important point is that true love does not come at a cost of your own self-esteem and self-worth. Your self-respect need not be sacrificed. In true love, there is understanding, empathy, you are sensitive towards the other person, and you are a good listener. A smile on the other person's face is only what you really ask for. True love is never controlling in nature. In fact, it helps you grow on the professional front, on the personal front as an individual. For example, a mother who is expecting her child, she has not yet seen the child. She does not know if the child is a male or a female. She does not know will the child be as she wants her or him to be. She does not know whether this child will be according to her expectations. She does not know whether this child will grow up and be her support system. And unconditionally, without any expectations, she loves the child without even seeing the child. Most of the people who say that they are in true love are either in a give or take relationship or are in a relationship that is based just on expectations. In fact, all of us or most of us are in such kind of a relationship. And if you really want to express true love, start by loving yourself first, start by valuing yourself, start by working on your strengths, start by overcoming your weaknesses, and start by developing yourself personally and professionally. Visit an orphanage or an old age home and then shower those people with your love and see love coming back to you. You can experience true love in small acts of kindness or by also feeding the pets. True love can also be found in social work and when you do something for the society. I hope that we all can experience love as much as closer to true love, because love can be your biggest strength in the world and your worst weakness. If you like this video, comment, share, subscribe to the channel and keep watching Life Coach.